What is 3D printing and how can you use it for jewellery making? In this video we'll look at how to 3D print jewellery, what materials we use and how our equipment works. 3D printing is known as additive manufacturing, which means it adds material instead of taking it away. The process we use is known as direct metal laser sintering. Precious metal powder is placed a layer at a time, and then, using a powerful laser, welds the metal into the desired shape. The layers are created through a CAD file, which is sliced together to create a cross-section, which the laser then follows to build each piece. When creating 3D printed jewellery, much like in cast or handcrafted jewellery, precious metals are used. We take bars of precious metal and melt them down, then each batch of molten metal is sent through an atomizer, creating precious metal powder suitable for 3D printing. We start with a CAD file in STL format. We make sure the file is free of errors and completely watertight. We then add supports onto the build. These are weak, porous pieces of metal that act like scaffolding for the piece, fusing it to the build platform. Once we're happy, your piece will be sent to the machine, which will print over a number of hours, adding the layers of precious metal powder and welding each together. Once completed, we remove it from the build platform and take off the supports by hand using pliers. The supports leave small marks which could easily be polished away through your normal process. Using a tumbler machine is optional before the piece is finished by the customer. Any metal powder left over is recycled and reused later on.